Bria's AI tools bring fully licensed generative AI directly into Houdini. Setup is simple. Download our tools from GitHub, import the Bria installer HDA, and paste your API key. Hit install, restart Houdini, and you're ready to go. If you want a starting template, you can start with our Bria AI tools example file included with your download. In the Bria dashboard, you can update your API keys and set your output directory. By default, all images save to a Bria folder on your desktop, but you can set a custom folder here too. Most of our tools live in Copernicus. Use Fibo Generate to create images from text prompts. Use Fibo Edit and our library of over 100 presets to restyle, relight, and transform any image using our Fibo Edit recipes cop. Chain these nodes together into complex AI workflows and render entire image sequences through them automatically with the Bria sequence output cop. Our Generate VGL node breaks down any image into a structured prompt, fully editable for targeted procedural AI workflows. Over in TOPS, the Bria batch node fires off processes in parallel, generates synthetic training data, or remove backgrounds from entire image sequences. This node is great when dealing with large datasets. And in the object network, the viewport render tool restyles your 3D viewport with Fibo Edit, then applies the result as a texture to your scene with one click. These tools are fully open source, built by Houdini artists for the Houdini community. And every Bria model is trained exclusively on licensed data, so you can create with confidence. Most importantly, have fun and make beautiful things.